As the tax deadline approaches, do you feel a familiar knot of anxiety tightening? Many taxpayers and small business owners experience a unique blend of pressure and fatigue during this time. But what if you could navigate these final weeks with clarity, confidence, and a calm, empowered mindset? In this episode, we're transforming that end-of-season stress into a strategic opportunity. We'll equip you with the knowledge and perspective to finish tax season strong, replacing fear with understanding and proactive action. Let's demystify tax preparation and manage those deadlines together. The final stretch of tax season often feels like a high-stakes race against the clock. Deadlines loom large, becoming highly visible markers that demand immediate attention. This creates an undeniable sense of urgency for everyone involved. Conversations about taxes become more frequent and intense, whether with your accountant, colleagues, or fellow business owners. This heightened focus can amplify any underlying stress. It's easy to feel overwhelmed by the sheer volume of information and tasks. Furthermore, comparisons with others can increase, leading to self-doubt or added pressure. You might wonder if you've done enough, or if you're missing something crucial. Understanding that these external pressures are normal helps to slow things down internally. This collective intensity creates emotional pressure, even when your individual situation is perfectly manageable. Recognizing these common triggers is the first step toward regaining control and approaching your tax preparation with a calmer perspective. At this critical stage, shifting your focus to what truly matters can alleviate significant stress. Your primary goal should be accuracy in your filings. Ensuring all income is reported and all eligible deductions are claimed correctly is paramount for compliance and peace of mind. Equally important are clear next steps, whether that means gathering a final document or scheduling a review with your tax professional. Having a defined action plan, no matter how small, helps to break down the larger task. This clarity reduces uncertainty and builds momentum. Timely communication with your tax preparer or relevant authorities is also crucial. If you anticipate delays or have questions, reaching out proactively can prevent misunderstandings and potential penalties. Open communication fosters a collaborative approach to your tax obligations. Remember, perfection is not required, diligent effort is. Responsibility looks like engaged participation in the process, not panic. Embrace the opportunity to manage your tax situation thoughtfully, ensuring everything is handled with care and precision. Many late-season fears are rooted in common misconceptions about the tax system. There's a pervasive belief that mistakes, once made, cannot be corrected. This simply isn't true. The IRS and state tax authorities have clear processes for amending returns. Another common fear is that deadlines represent an absolute end to all options. While deadlines are important, they don't always signify the end of the road. Extensions for filing are often available, and payment plans can be arranged if you owe money. Some individuals and small businesses fear that any outcome less than a large refund signifies failure. However, the true measure of success in tax preparation is compliance and understanding your financial position. Learning from each tax season empowers better future planning. In reality, the system is designed to allow for correction and continuation. Understanding these mechanisms replaces urgency with a more balanced perspective. You have options, and knowledge is your most powerful tool against anxiety. Adopting a calm approach to tax preparation involves breaking down the process into manageable parts. Start by acknowledging what has already been done. Celebrate those completed tasks, no matter how small, as they represent progress and effort. Next, clearly identify what remains to be completed. Make a concise list of outstanding documents, decisions, or communications. This visual representation helps to demystify the remaining workload and makes it feel less daunting. Finally, determine the very next reasonable step you can take. Focus on one action at a time, rather than the entire mountain of tasks. This could be as simple as making a phone call, organizing a single folder, or reviewing one section of your return. This methodical approach keeps decisions grounded and manageable, preventing overwhelm. For small business owners, this means applying the same project management principles you use in your daily operations to your tax preparation. You're in control. This channel exists to empower you with clear, calm understanding of your tax obligations. We believe that navigating the complexities of tax season shouldn't be a source of dread. Our mission is to provide informative and educational content that builds your confidence. We aim to guide you through tax preparation, not through urgency or fear-mongering. Instead, we focus on providing practical explanations and actionable insights. Our goal is to demystify tax concepts, making them accessible for every taxpayer and small business owner. Understanding is the true foundation of confidence, especially when it comes to your finances. When you comprehend the why behind tax rules and processes, you can make informed decisions and approach your responsibilities with assurance. We're here to foster that understanding. Remember, tax season is a cyclical event that eventually ends. But your understanding of your financial landscape and tax responsibilities doesn't have to. Each year offers an opportunity to learn, refine your processes, and grow more confident. Approaching taxes as a structured system, rather than an annual crisis, is how you move forward with lasting confidence. This mindset shift empowers you to manage deadlines, reduce stress, and ensure accurate preparation for years to come. You've got this. If you found today's insights helpful and empowering, please give us a like. Your engagement inspires us to continue creating valuable content that supports taxpayers and small businesses. Share this video with anyone who might benefit from a calmer tax season. Subscribe to our channel for more educational resources designed to simplify your financial journey. Thank you once again for watching, and we hope you have a blessed day.